Aloha, Brett Christensen here with Maui Property, and today we're going to go over how to do a tax assessment appeal. Now, it's very possible that you do not agree with the assessed value or the tax classification of your assessment notice. You get this in the mail. You get this in the beginning of the year, and the county, if you may not know this, but they do give you a chance to contest whatever it is they've sent you. It says even in the thing you get in the mail, it will say that right on there. So today we're going to show you what you need to do if you do not agree with that statement. Maybe you feel like you're being overcharged and it's just not fair. You have actual data to back up. Maybe they're just thinking your property is worth more than it really is. So you're going to want to appeal that. And here's what you need to know. First, you're going to want to go to the Maui County website. That's what you see behind me on the screen. Very easy to find. You can just Google it and it's going to pop right up. We'll put a link in the video below that you can easily find this page. But you're going to want to go on the county website, and really everything you need to know is going to be on there, including how to get a hold of the office. If you're wondering if there's a cost, there is. It's going to be $75, and that does get refunded to you if you win the appeal. Of course, if you lose the appeal, you're just not going to get that back. The good news is you can file your appeal either in person or by the mail. So you have a couple options there. If you're, let's say, not on an island right now, then you have to go that route. Just make sure you do this by April 9th. So to file an appeal, you'll need to fill out a taxpayer's notice and receipt of real property tax appeal form. You can find it on the county website. Again, this will be linked below. One thing to keep in mind is that you still need to stay current with your taxes. If you don't, you could be subject to penalty and interest, even if you have an appeal pending. The tax you pay while your appeal is ongoing will be held in a trust account as provided by Maui County Code. And then if you win your appeal, then you will get the difference back. Now, let's say you win your appeal and you do receive a refund. You will receive not only a check for the $75, but you'll get an additional refund. As far as when and how you're going to receive that, you're really going to have to be dealing with the Treasury Collections Division at Maui County. We'll put the number up on the screen. Remember, if you are thinking about appealing your real property tax assessment, make sure you do this by April 9th every year. You got to get it in by that date, and make sure you address it to the correct address, or you can always take it down there by hand. And if you are not being assessed properly, then it's totally your right to contest that. I will say, however, Maui County generally seems to assess properties below their market value. And often when I hear people talking about the value of their home because, and they're using referencing the tax department, I pretty quickly correct them that, hey, that's the last entity that you want to utilize for valuation, because they just seem to always be way lower than what the market's showing, which is good for you as a taxpayer. But if you feel like you are being wrong, then go ahead. It's a $75 gamble, and if you lose, you can lose $75, but you have a lot more to gain if they are incorrect. Thank you so much for watching this video today on tax assessment appeals. If you want more information, please check out our website, mauiproperty.com. We have up-to-date listings all the time. This site is better than Zillow, I guarantee it, especially if you're looking for short-term rentals. You can't even siphon out the short-term rentals on Zillow. So very customizable website. Please check it out, and there's tons of informational pages on here as well. In fact, let me just show you real quick. If you go to buyer's info up here, you'll find pages answering all the common questions and not so common questions. Every link, every line item on here is a question that we've received, and we build out a page for it. Try to answer it the best we can. So lots of info on there. Check it out. My name is Brett Christensen. Happy to help. Take care. Aloha.